Unit 3. Where are you from? Page 16. Exercise 1. Snapshot. The 10 largest cities in the world. Listen and practice. Cities.
1. Tokyo.
2. Delhi.
3. Shanghai.
4. Mexico City.
5. Mumbai.
6. Sao Paulo.
7. Osaka.
8. Beijing.
9. New York.
10. Cairo.
Countries.
A. Brazil.
B. China.
C. Egypt.
D. India.
E. Japan.
F. Mexico.
G. The U.S.
Page 16. Exercise 2. Conversation. Are you from Rio? Part A. Listen and practice.
Are you from Florida, Felipe?
Well, my family is in Florida now, but we're from Brazil originally.
Really? My father is Brazilian, from Rio de Janeiro.
So, is your first language Portuguese?
No, it's English. Are you from Rio?
No, we're not. We're from Sao Paulo.
Page 16. Exercise 2. Part B. Listen to Alexis and Felipe talk to Fernando, Nanami, and Sophia. Check true or false. 1.
So where are you from, Fernando?
I'm from Spain.
Oh, what part of Spain are you from?
I'm from Madrid.
2.
Is your name Japanese, Nanami?
Yes, it is. But I'm from the U.S., from New York.
So you're American.
Yes, I am. But my parents are from Japan originally.
3.
By the way, Alexis, this is Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. Are you from Brazil too?
No, I'm from Montreal.
So you're Canadian. Is your first language English?
No, it's not. My first language is French.
Page 17. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Negative statements and yes-no questions with B.
I'm not from Rio.
Are you from Sao Paulo?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
You're not late.
Am I early?
Yes, you are. No, you're not.
She's not from Japan.
Is she from the U.S.?
Yes, she is. No, she's not.
He's not from Chile.
Is he from Mexico?
Yes, he is. No, he's not.
It's not English.
Is it French?
Yes, it is. No, it's not.
We're not from China.
Are you from South Korea?
Yes, we are. No, we're not.
You're not early.
Are we late?
Yes, you are. No, you're not.
They're not in India.
Are they in Egypt?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. We're equals we are.
Page 18. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Syllable stress. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the syllable stress.
China, Turkey, Brazil, Japan, Canada, Mexico, Malaysia, Morocco.
Page 18. Exercise 4. Part B. What is the syllable stress in these words? Add the words to the chart in Part A. Then listen and check.
English. Mexican. Spanish. Honduras. Arabic. Chinese. Korean. Peru.
Page 19. Exercise 6. Conversation. Who's that? Part A. Listen and practice.
Who's that?
She's my sister.
She's really pretty. What's her name?
Madison. We call her Maddie.
Madison. That's a beautiful name. How old is she?
She's 28.
And what's she like? Is she nice?
Well, she's shy, but she's really kind.
And who's that little girl?
That's her daughter Mia. She's 6 years old.
She's cute.
Yes, she is. And she's very smart, too.
Page 19. Exercise 7. Speaking. Numbers and ages. Part A. Listen and practice.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 101, 102, 102, 103, 103.
Page 19. Exercise 7. Part B. Listen and practice. Notice the word stress.
13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60.
Page 20. Exercise 8. Grammar focus. WH questions with be.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Who's that?
She's my sister.
How old is she?
She's 28.
What's she like?
She's very nice.
Who are they?
They're my classmates.
Where are they from?
They're from San Francisco.
What's San Francisco like?
It's very beautiful.
Whose equals who is.
Page 21. Exercise 9. Word power. Describing people. Part A. Listen and practice. A.
Pretty.
B.
Handsome.
C.
Good looking.
D.
Talkative.
E.
Friendly.
F.
Kind.
G.
Funny.
H.
Quiet.
I.
Serious.
J.
Shy.
K.
Short.
L.
Tall.
M.
Heavy.
N.
Thin.
Page 21. Exercise 10. Listening. Wow, who's that? Listen to 3 descriptions. Check the 2 correct words for each description. 1.
Wow, who's that?
Who? The tall guy?
No, the very good-looking girl over there.
Oh, that's Nora.
Is she talkative?
No, she isn't. She's really quiet. But she's very nice.
2.
My new classmate's name is Taylor.
Oh, cool. What's Taylor like?
Oh, very funny.
Nice. And is she good looking?
Yes, he is.
He? Is Taylor a guy?
Yes, he is. Sorry.
3.
Who's that short guy over there?
That's my brother, Austin.
He's very talkative.
Yes, he really is.
Is he serious?
Austin? Oh no, but he's really funny.